But, let's quickly switch focus. Let's look at where markets are at. Let's pull up the Nifty 50 index. And what we're seeing there is we've given up some of the early morning gains. And we're sitting on currently just about the flat line. Absolute flat line is where we're at, just off the lows of the day. Let's also look at how the breadth is shaping up for the day. Let's pull up the advanced decline and let's get the intraday chart for advanced decline to give us better perspective, because currently the advanced decline is skewed towards the advances because broader markets seem to be doing very well for themselves. But you're looking at overall all through the day as well, the breadth has looked fairly robust in that sense. There you go. And that kind of reflects, even though on the benchmark it's not reflecting, but overall you're looking at a very solid breadth across the board. The Nifty mid cap 150 is up over 1%. The Nifty small cap 250 is up over 1.5%. So you're seeing good traction on both of those indices. Let's look at contributors. Come back to the benchmark. Look at contributors on the Nifty 50. And there you go. Those are some contributors. Nothing meaningful on either side, as you can see. And therefore, you're seeing the kind of flattish move on the index that you are. No big movers on the Nifty 50 index. And, I'll just read out a few names which are really doing decently well. 2.8% up on an Apollo Hospitals and ITC Hotels exiting very soon, but 2.5% higher on that one. BPCL is doing well for itself, 2.5% higher on that one as well. And Hindalco and BEL also gaining over 2% each, along with a Trent. So those are some cues on the Nifty 50 gainers. The losers, Asian Paints, Titan, Nestle. No surprises on either of those counts, and we'll get more perspective. We'll have Mahima coming in and giving us some perspective with regard to at least a Titan.